Hello everyone, my name is Alma Avalos. Today is September 30th, 2018. I'm an AIDA and this is my 1.2 Philosophical Orientation Questionnaire assignment for the 700 course with Dr. Greenberg. This is the first time I'm doing a video, so hopefully everything goes well. It's always great to learn new things. You know, going through the exercises, for me personally, it was very interesting to see that the human value was the top one. I am all about, my personal values are family, integrity, dedication, teamwork, and development. So the human value for me was the top one that came across with the Philosophical Orientation Questionnaire, where I do care about relationships, how to develop, how to support them. The second one was the intellectual value of the way I took it is that I do look at data, at the analytics, and let the data tell the story best, how to best support someone or the organization. The last one was the pragmatic, which was also interesting to me to see that that was the last one, because first I take the human value, the intellectual, and then how do I best go about it to make an impact, whether it's an impact to an individual or an impact to an organization. My overall purpose is to help support, develop an organization, individuals to be the best that they can be in any area, helping them support their vision of where they want to be in their career, in their family life, and so on. So not only in organizations, but personally for my family as well. So thank you for this opportunity in creating this video, and I look forward to the opportunities of this transformational leadership that it will bring me and my purpose. Thank you.